Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me wanting to, not this word, but I'm using this word for the video to make it look like it was sewn on, like uh, by hand, like a fabric. So I created two X's, and all I did, I drew a line and then angled one at a 45 and made a duplicate. And I've got two of them. Select both of them and go up to Effects, Blend, and let's do 100. It's not going to be enough, but let's hit Apply, and then right down here go New Path, and then click on your path, and you can see it only did a few letters, so we need to click Blend along full path and hit Apply. Now, if that looks good, go with it, but you could add more stitches by just typing in, let's say 300, and hit Apply. Now it looks like it's been sewn onto a piece of fabric. Not quite sure what they are going to do with it, but it is kind of a cool effect. Anyway, hope that answered that question, and thank you for watching.